अब मुझे फोन रखना होगा. I have to get off the phone now. I have to get off the phone now. तुमने मेरे दिल की बात कह दी. You spoke my mind. You spoke my mind. अपना दिमाग लगाओ. Apply your mind. Apply your mind. इशारा मत करो. Don't gesture. Don't gesture. यह एक अजीब इत्तेफाक है. It's a strange coincidence. It's a strange coincidence. मुझसे पंगे मत लो. Do not mess with me. Do not mess with me. बकबक मत करो. Don't prattle. Don't prattle. तुम्हें मन लगाकर पढ़ना चाहिए. You must study hard. You must study hard. तुमने सब कुछ बिगाड़ दिया. You screwed up. You screwed up. मैं तुम्हें बहुत झेल चुका हूँ. I've had enough of you. I've had enough of you. तुम मुझे परेशान कर रहे हो. You are driving me nuts. You are driving me nuts. शक की कोई गुंजाइश नहीं है. There is no room for doubt. There is no room for doubt. औरतें एक पहेली हैं. Women are a puzzle. Women are a puzzle. ये तौलिया नम लग रहा है. This towel feels damp. This towel feels damp. क्या मैंने गलत समय पर कॉल कर दिया है? Have I called at a bad time? Have I called at a bad time? मुझे कम मत समझना. Don't underestimate me. Don't underestimate me. तुम इसे अभी इसी वक्त करोगे. You'll do it this minute. You'll do it this minute. चुप रहोगे तुम. Will you be quiet? Will you be quiet? दोनों में से कोई नहीं बोलेगा. Neither of them will speak. Neither of them will speak. इस जार में 1 किलो आएगा. This jar will hold a kilo. This jar will hold a kilo. वह कभी भी मेकअप नहीं करती. She never wears makeup. She never wears makeup. वह अपने बाल लंबे रखती है. She wears her hair long. She wears her hair long. वो कहते हैं ना कि समय हर घाव भर देता है. They say that time heals all wounds. They say that time heals all wounds. इसमें समय लगता है. It takes time. It takes time. इसमें समय लगेगा. It will take time. It will take time. समय बिल्कुल नहीं बचा है. We have no time to lose. We have no time to lose. क्या आप इसे जल्दी कर सकते हैं? Can you make it fast? Can you make it fast? मेरे पास ज्यादा खाली समय नहीं होता है. I don't have much spare time. I don't have much spare time. क्या बर्बादी है समय की. What a waste of time. What a waste of time. तुम उससे आखिरी बार कब मिले थे? When was the last time you saw her? When was the last time you saw her? मैंने तुमसे अनगिनत बार कहा है. I've told you countless times. I've told you countless times. वह सुबह से टीवी देख रहा है. He has been watching TV since morning. He has been watching TV since morning. मेरी घड़ी हमेशा सही समय बताती है. My watch keeps perfect time. My watch keeps perfect time. अभी 9:30 बज रहे हैं. The time is now 9:30. The time is now 9:30. क्या तुम्हारे पास बात करने का समय है? Do you have time for a chat? Do you have time for a chat? मैं उससे मिलने का समय निकालूंगी. I'll make the time to see her. I'll make the time to see her. रहने दो, मैं खुद ही कर लूंगा. Let it be, I'll do it myself. Let it be, I'll do it myself. जान में जान आई. What a relief. What a relief. मेरे रास्ते में मत आओ. Don't get in my way. Don't get in my way. वह जरूरतमंद है. He is needy. He is needy. यह चाकू तेज है. This knife is sharp. This knife is sharp. तुम्हें किस पर शक है? Whom do you suspect? Whom do you suspect? थोड़ा ऊंचा बोलो. Speak a little louder. Speak a little louder. अपने रास्ते पर जाओ. Go your way. Go your way. ख्याल तो बुरा नहीं है. Not a bad idea. Not a bad idea. आपका बहुत कर्ज है मुझ पर. I'm really indebted to you. I'm really indebted to you. ये लोग किसी के सगे नहीं हैं. These people are not devoted to anyone. These people are not devoted to anyone. जरा मदद करना. Give me a hand. Give me a hand. मेरा दिल फट जाएगा. My heart will burst. My heart will burst. काम से जी मत चुराओ. Don't shirk the work. Don't shirk the work. अब नहीं तो कब? If not now, then when? If not now, then when? मेरे पैरों की उंगलियां सूज के लाल हो गई हैं. I have chilblains on my toes. I have chilblains on my toes. कुछ ठीक नहीं है. Nothing is all right. Nothing is all right. एकदम से कोई भी चीज नहीं होती. Nothing happens at once. Nothing happens at once. याद रखिएगा मेरी इस बात को. Remember this word of mine. Remember this word of mine. मुझे इसी की जरूरत थी. That is what I needed. That is what I needed. पागल मत बनो. Don't be silly.